Big Creative Education, the largest creative college in London. Events and Venue Technician T-Level, a 2-year course designed for students who want to work in media broadcast, production and live events. Get hands-on experience with industry-standard technology and equipment. Students who study this course will have the skills and industry knowledge to progress into careers such as audio-visual engineers, set designer, stage manager, sound and lighting technician. You will learn how to interpret and assess clients' requirements for varied productions. Work in a team to plan a production in response to clients' requirements. Assist with the implementation of the different stages of a production. Select, utilise and maintain the appropriate industry equipment and technology, and evaluate the extent to which the production meets the requirements.